Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 22. The three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are A, 1, negative 3, B, negative 3, negative 1, and C, 3, 5. Find the fourth vertex. Yan, so meron daw tayong tatlong given vertices nung parallelogram, point A, B, and C. Hanapin natin yung pang-apat. So para mas ma-visualize natin, draw muna tayo ng coordinate system. I-plot natin or i-drawing natin yung parallelogram. Okay? Y and X axis. So, yung point A is 1, negative 3. So, 1, negative 3 sa dito. Point B is negative 3, negative 1. So, 1, 2, 3, then 1. Point C is 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. So, approximately, yung parallelogram natin, pag kinonek ko, yan. Sige, copy ko dito. Yan. So, hanapin natin tong pang-apat, let's say, D, X, Y. Yan. So, paano natin nahanapin itong D? Given yung mga coordinates na tatlo, yung A, B, C. Diba kapag parallelogram, we know na sa geometry, diagonals bisect each other. So, ibig sabihin, pag dinraw ko yung diagonal BD and diagonal AC, magbabisect sila sa isa't isa or magkakaroon sila ng same midpoint. Let's say E. Same midpoint nung AC tsaka BD. Kasi magiging congruent itong CE tsaka AE and congruent itong BE tsaka DE. So, given that fact, pwede nating makuha yung midpoint E using itong given na C and A. Okay, so midpoint formula. So, point E will be yung x-coordinate nung midpoint sa E will be x1 plus x2 over 2. Tapos, yung y-coordinate is y1 plus y2 over 2. So, gagamitin ko muna yung A tsaka C kasi makukuha natin yung value para silang given. Okay, let's say ito si A yung x1, y1, tapos si x2, y2. So, plug in, x1 is 1 plus x2 is 3 divided by 2, which is 1 plus 3, 4 over 2, 2. Tapos sa y naman, y1 is negative 3 plus y2 is 5 over 2. So, negative 3 plus 5 is 2 over 2, 1. So, itong E is 2, 1. Tapos, para ma-solve itong D, dapat same lang nung midpoint nung B and D, right? So, using B, negative 3, 1, and D na unknown, so, dapat, yung midpoint nila na E is, di ba alam na natin yung XE, which is 2, equal sa, so same formula for midpoint. Ang gagamitin nga lang natin is, let's say, ito naman si X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So, X1 is negative 3, plus X2 is unknown X over 2. Yan. Solve natin for X. Cross multiply si 2, bale 2 times 2, 4. Negative 3 plus X. Transpose si negative 3 sa kaliwa, magiging 4 plus 3 equals X. So, 4 plus 3, 7 equals X. Or X equals 7. Then for YE naman, ang value na natin is 1, right? Equals, sa formula naman kapag y coordinate, y1 plus y2 over 2. So y1 natin is 1 plus y2 is unknown y over 2. Solve this equation for y. Cross multiply si 2. 1 times 2, 2 equals 1 plus y. Transpose si 1 sa kaliwa, magiging 2 minus 1 equals y, or 2 minus 1 is 1 equals y, or y equals 1. Sorry, correction, negative 1 pala to, sorry. Correction, negative 1, wala ko ng kopya, no? So, mali. This should be negative 1, negative 1. Sa pag kinanspose, magiging positive 1. Yan, correction guys, sorry. So, magiging, ito is positive 3, hindi 1. Yan, so therefore, ang coordinate natin nung D, yung fourth vertex will be x is 7, y is 3, or D is the coordinate 7, 3. So this is the answer.